Hello kids, welcome to Educate Your Child. I hope you all are doing good. Okay students, in the previous video we did the story sums, right? We did the story sums. I hope you understand that concept, and today we are going to do the book exercise related to the story sums, right? So without wasting any time, let's get started now. Okay students, now let's move on to the first question. First question is, Peg got 3 gifts for her birthday. Peg is the name of a girl. And how many gifts she got? 3 gifts for her birthday. And Meg got 4 gifts for her birthday. Meg is the name of another girl. And how many gifts she got? 4 gifts for her birthday. Right? So what is the total amount of gifts the girls have all together? अब दोनों गर्ल्स के पास टोटल नंबर ऑफ गिफ्ट्स कितने हो गए, राइट? सो दैट वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड. सो हियर आर Peg got 3 gifts and Meg got 4 gifts, right? So the total number of पूरे के पूरे गिफ्ट्स कितने हैं? So 3 plus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So 3 plus 4, 7. Understand? Now let's move on to the next question. I have 5 books. How many books do I have? 5 books. I buy 2 more books. मैंने 2 books और खरीद ली. What does that mean? Please understand this concept that मेरे पास already 5 books है, right? I have 5 books. मेरे पास already 5 books है. मैंने market से 2 books और खरीदी हैं. So total number of books मेरे पास कितनी हुई? मेरे पास 5 बुक्स तो है, लेकिन मेरे पास मैंने 2 बुक्स और ली हैं. तो कितनी बुक्स हो गई? 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So total number of books do I have with me right now? 7, right? Okay, now let's move on to the next question. I see 2 red hats. मैंने 2 red hats देखी and I see 6 orange hats. मैंने orange hats कितनी देखी है? 6. How many hats are there all together? अब total number of hats मैंने कितनी देखी है? Simple, 2 plus 6. Hats. अब यहाँ पे color नहीं है, यहाँ पे hats हैं, red और orange. Total number of hats कितनी देखी है मैंने? So 2 plus 6. Red भी hats हैं, ऑरेंज भी hats हैं. रेड कितनी है? 2. ऑरेंज कितनी है? 6. सो टोटल नंबर ऑफ hats कितनी देखी है मैंने? ऑब्वियसली 2 plus 6. सो 2 plus 6, 2 in my mind, 6 in my fingers. So what comes after 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2 plus 6, 8. 2 plus 6, 8. All right. Now, last but not the least question is, Sid has 4 cars. Now, you will tell me what is the answer of this question, right? Sid has 4 cars. Sid is the name of a boy. कितनी cars हैं उसके पास? 4 cars. Cam has 1 car, right? अब Cam is the name of another boy. How many cars do he has? 1 car, right? So, how many cars do they have in all? अब दोनों के पास, सिड के पास 4 कार्स है, कैम के पास 1 कार है. टोटल नंबर ऑफ कार्स कितनी है? ऑब्वियसली 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total number of cars are 5. So 4 plus 1, 5. Okay students, I hope you understand this concept very well. Still, if you have any doubts, then please do comment in the comment box. And if you like my video, then please subscribe to my channel. Till then, bye, take care and have a nice day. Thank you.